Zhao, Deluxe International Trading Company Limited, established in 2012, is a professional engaged in sale and service of auto brake pad, brake shoe, backplate, brake accessories, and raw friction material. We are located in Zhejiang City, Shandong Province, China, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss with your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, our cooperated factory covers an area of 20,000 square meters with 2 automatic production lines, 20 processing hydraulic machines. Our products are exported to abroad, selling well in such countries and regions as America, Canada, South Africa, Korea, Poland, Colombia, Ukraine, Brazil, Middle East, Malaysia, Mexico, Russia. Through many years of development, our company has special formulations such as semi-metal, less metal, ceramic, organic, and other materials with high-quality products. Our products' advantages: asbestos-free, no pollution, low dust, low noise, long operational life, better braking performance, stable friction coefficient, competitive price. In addition to meet the needs of different customer groups, our company also design and develop all kinds of high-quality products with different specification and materials, according to the requests of customers. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance